Hi guys, this is JJ from Secret Factory. Today I'm here to introduce you our new high technology device. Its name is called True. True has 3 modes that you can use in your performance. The first one is called Pandora mode. In Pandora mode, we provide you a custom-made wooden books, and you can know which object is being put into the books while your eyes are closed. The second one is called Detector mode. In Detector mode, you can know which object your spectator is holding, and you can also know the object is in his left or right hand without any peek. The third one is called Free mode. Free mode enables you to perform mental miracles in a seemingly impromptu situation. The crazy part is, this system has a very unique feature, which is called the last one call. The last one call enables you to know which object is remained in the box or on the table while your face is turned away from your spectator. This is true, and it will change the way you perform mentalism forever.